Van life does indeed start with a pan full of dishes. Just gonna have to kind of just coil up because here. So instead of freezing our asses off down here, 11:30 p.m. arrived at Walmart in where are we? Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to another episode of Working for the Van. Starting our day inside the van today.
I'm working for it.
We've been chilling in bed for 2 hours or so. I've been editing some videos. Kate's been finding us some camp spots for the next couple nights. And now we get to do our probably the least favorite task of the day, which is put the bed up. And bonus morning chores. Dishes. Heard it from her first. I didn't want to say the dreaded D word. We were both looking at each other, knowing what to say, but no one wanted to say it. Dishes. That's right, people. Van life does indeed start with a pan full of dishes. So that's how we're starting our day here. Van chores, and then we are moving a little bit in Montana, escaping the cold a little bit because the low where we're at right now tonight is 10. So we need to move a little bit and find some warmer ground, which is actually much more possible. Like, we don't even have to go that far to get a little bit warmer. So
a little northwest.
Yeah, a little northwest, and we're like low
Groovy.
30. Yeah, we're gravy.
Groovy.
Yeah, we're groovy. Yeah, we're groovy.
Look at Travis.
Oh yeah, where's Travis? Travis is just voluntarily in his carrier because he's a good boy.
He's the best boy.
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
So
he's so good.
we're all happy here. We're happy to be up in Montana. You can tell that it's like not gonna get very warm today. It's just cloudy. First real cloudy day we've seen in a while. All right, so we're gonna get to use some stuff here.
I can just fold it.
Real-time sleeping bag fold.
Oh, I have to do it right now.
Well, yeah, we're doing it right now.
Okay.
Does it just fit if you just fold it right?
It fits. Yeah, it just does.
Oh, in half, like a hot dog.
And hold it so it doesn't unfold. That would be nice if you could do that.
Tight as a whistle. Oh, you're rolling it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the thing. I might as well.
So this sleeping bag is cool because it has two different sides that are rated for different temperatures. This light blue side is rated for 40 degrees. And there's a dark blue side on the other side, which we've been sleeping on. We've been sleeping with that side face up. And that's rated for 25 degrees.
Can you hand me the bag?
It's warm as a whistle. Where in the hootin' hoggin' is it? Oh, found it. Okay. Oh, we still have the tags on it. We cut them off.
Oh, I liked it because I kept forgetting what side was what.
Fair. Informative.
Relax.
Just jiggling it. Oh wow, plenty of space. Too much space. We can get a smaller stuffy. Perfect. And that is how we put that away. So it kind of works out that we don't use these doors because they don't open from the outside if we didn't share that, but they don't open from the outside. So we actually just kind of use this whole area as storage. Kind of works. Still have a hallway. Pick up the home pillow.
Make sure everything's sitting out.
It's the order of operations. I am. It's a rearrangement. It's home.
Now you gotta put the
shower back. Why is my bathing suit out? I guess because I use it to shower.
Oh, he's not allowed to put anything away in the van because he does that. He just shoves things where they don't belong. Babe.
I have no response because she's right. Alright, we're putting that up. take everything else off. Oh, wait. Since we're halfway, where's the Loctite?
Are you gonna lift it up?
Yeah.
Oh.
Or flex tape. I want both those out. Okay. So I want to take a look at the bottom. We've been having some leaking issues in the van, in the back door when it rains.
Oh,
So we're gonna try to fix that at some point. And the bed's starting to fall down, so we need to use the pillows to prop it up like an old person. Home is where we park it. Loctite, flex tape. You wouldn't believe the amount of tape that we have in this van. I think we have more tape than anything. We have flex tape.
To show you the power of flex tape, I sawed this boat in half.
T-Rex tape. We have like
It sounds fake.
very heavy adhesive. We have a couple different rolls of 3M tape. We have double added like VHB tape that we use on the solar panel.
Can you hand me my...
Your Chacos.
Yeah.
Sealing up. So morning chores are done.
No, but they're not.
No, they're not. All right. Oh my God, I forgot about the dishes. That's awful. Dishes, check, done. Moving right on to breakfast, which today includes bacon. And Kate's whipping up a little something special in here. Essentially, we're trying to figure out what to do with this instant coffee. So what do we got here?
Instead of water,
Okay.
it's hot oat milk. And cinnamon.
Is that it?
Extract. I put a pack and a half of stevia. It looks good, look.
Essentially hot oat milk. 2 scoops of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of that. These are big pieces of bacon, bug. It's gonna have to kind of just coil up because bacon is on, things are smoking. It's gonna be an interesting bacon experience here. Travis coming in. Here you go, Trav. First round of bacon, done. Second round, I cut them in half so they have shorter pieces. Quick realization, way too much bacon. Gonna be cooking bacon for the next hour. We're gonna run out of propane before we run out of bacon. Yeah, how is the bacon? Let's see. Not too crispy. Good. That's fresh, good bacon right there. Camera died, and the propane tank ran out during bacon time. However, bacon was successfully cooked. It was delicious.
So good.
We're saving more for BLTs later tonight. We're gonna stop and get a head of lettuce, so that's the plan. But we are all packed up. The van is all cleaned out, and we are heading out of our first spot, Montana. Look who's getting in the driver's seat. Night 1 in Montana was fantastic.
Watch him. Watch him.
Yeah, comfy over here. So basic day plan for us today. We are, let's see, we camped just north of Gardner, Montana, which is literally right over the border into Montana. We have about probably 70-mile drive right now to Bozeman, Montana, where we are going to use some Starbucks Wi-Fi to upload some YouTube videos. That's basically our only task of the day, besides stop at a food store to grab a head of lettuce for BLTs. But we're gonna go to Starbucks in Bozeman, regroup there, find camp for the night close by to there. Enjoy the drive. We were going to be driving next to some national forests. It's crazy. We were just looking up some weather for Colorado and like areas that we just were in literally 4 or 5 days ago, and it's like they're getting like a foot of snow. It's 10 degrees starting like tonight. We are off to warmer weather in Montana, I guess. Sounds weird that you think Montana would be colder, but it's not. Just living the life. It's windy, it's cold, both have blankets on. This is how we drive when it starts getting cold, because our heat, especially for the driver's side, isn't great. The heat in the back, so we have a back heat pump, back heat like air vent, and that blows really well, and I think like 99% of the airflow goes back there, because these front vents, they're not great. But 10 minutes into today's drive, 3 herds of elk. First wet drive in the new tires. So far, gripping well, I would say. Oh my God, it's so windy. It's gnarly.
I don't know if you can tell, but it's
snowing.
It's snowing. It's fun.
What is it, September 5th, 6th? It's snowing. The van's first snow attack. Thank God we got these tires. I would not feel good if we didn't have these tires.
Holy cow. Amen to that.
Things are getting gnarly. We found a potential camp spot for the night. It might be snowing, it might not be. We're not really sure. Our whole plan to come up into Montana to avoid the snow has not worked out. Although it is less snowy here than Colorado, so that's good. But yeah, but things are getting pretty gnarly. The van's fogging up. The heat can't keep up with like the fog on the windshield.
Everything's a mess.
Yeah.
Welcome to van life. Now it's just really cold, slushy rain. I don't know which is worse.
Cold rain is worse than snow.
I
Snow's
agree.
fun. Cold rain is not fun. It's a fact. Update, you can see the snow. It's really snowing. We might have to rethink our plan. We're not really sure.
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, that was a llama.
He looked cold. He looked so
That was a
cold.
llama.
We don't even have a snow brush. We don't have
That's
gloves.
stupid.
We're
Also
vastly underprepared for cold weather.
We're stupid.
But I mean, like in 2 days, it's gonna be like the high of 82 degrees here. So like, we'll be fine, I guess, right? I love snow. So this is
did you
fun.
see that? Did you just see the Tacoma that drove by?
Covered in snow and dirt.
It was caked in snow. Baby, I don't like this. We need a turnaround. This is not okay. Baby, it keeps getting worse. It just keeps getting worse.
Ooh, can you do me a favor, actually?
What?
Snow update. It's really snowing. And the higher up we go in elevation, it just is starting to snow more and more. So I think we decided that the original spot we were just trying to get to was probably going to be a bit too gnarly to get to. Even with these brand new tires, we just didn't feel like pushing it. So we're going to find a spot that we think is easier to get to. But I guess we're going to find out. But this is just all the fun. All the fun. Oh boy, here we go.
Oh, I don't like.
And now here we are down about, I don't know, 500 feet maybe, and just rain, no snow. No snow on the ground. Higher up elevations, snow. Lower elevations, rain. Pretty cool to see it actually like in action. All right, we're on to check another site. Nice.
I didn't know where to put it because my other hand's under Travis. We learned our van has another new, what would you call it?
Quirk.
Quirk?
Yeah.
Something.
So here we are in the middle of this nice big snowstorm. Ow. And the window won't go up.
Love it.
Yeah.
Yay.
It Update. Found a spot we thought was gonna be camp for the night. Beautiful. Just a bit of snow, much less than the other spot we were trying to find. Great LTE service. However, as you can tell, super windy and also super cold. The low here, we checked, was, what was it?
It was 19.
19. Well, that's right, 19. So for our sake and for the cat's sake, because yes, that's right, guys, we have a cat in here, don't forget. We have since changed our course yet again. So basically, we were planning on going to Glacier National Park anyway. That's our next plan of attack. So we're roughly by Butte right now, Butte, Montana, right here.
What a view.
Yeah. And we have plans on going up to Glacier National Park, way up here. So, instead of freezing our asses off down here, we found a Walmart up here in a place called Polson, Montana, right here.
That far.
Yeah, so we have to go from here to here. So, and this is at 3,000 feet-ish. We're at like 6,400 right here. Hence why it's so dang cold. So we're gonna drop about 3,000 feet, get down to here, and the low up there tonight is the low up there tonight is 34. So we'll be much better up there. It's where we want to go anyway, so it kind of works. It's just a shame that we got to do this whole big drive right now, and we can't meander quite as much as we wanted to, because like this is crazy. This is so sick. This is such a pretty spot. So we will be back northbound Montana. It's like purple and orange. Guys, just look at those colors right now. Just look at these Montana colors. It's like orangey purple, and then the green is, oh, so nice.
He's sitting in his carrier by himself. Nice.
11:30 p.m. Arrived in Walmart in, where are we?
If I know.
Forget the town name, somewhere in Montana. Update on Montana. It's really big. It's like everything's big. The roads are big, the mountains are big. Much less cold here. It's, I believe the current temperature, or the low here is 34. Current temperature is somewhere in the 40s. So we're officially chasing warmer weather. So we're going to bed. We're beat. And Walmart night tonight, but it feels great because it's warmer and it's on our own terms.
And it's flat.
And it's nice and flat, easy to get a level. So we're basically just crashing here for the night, gonna wake up less than 2 hours from Glacier National Park, I believe. Something like that, so.
2 hours and 5 minutes.
2 hours and 5 minutes, there we go. And we are excited to do some more exploring. We definitely wanna like kind of hang out some more in the places we just flew through, driving around. But we'll see what happens. Cause you never know. Because tonight we thought we were sleeping 3 hours south of here. And we got there and we're like, yeah, this isn't gonna work. It's too cold here. So we found ourselves warmer weather. View for the night. Walmart pavement. Good night, Montana.